Welcome to the Talk Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you one of the best beautiful products that you can just use when you are an Android user. Yes, Android users, this is very fine product that I know it is going to help us, because sometimes our phones, when we are using it, sometimes our chargers may be disturbing, okay, but this beautiful product is going to help us to have the fastest charging of our phone. So this product is the Araimo Charger, okay, Araimo Charger. This product is very nice. So with this Araimo product, that is the Araimo Charger, this one, when you just open it, it comes with this charger head, a beautiful one, okay, from Araimo, and it has this just a single port, and also it has this fine chargeable cable, okay, fine chargeable cable which charges very fast. Yes, it charges very fast. It is similar like type C, okay, similar like type C, because it charges very fast, okay. So with this Araimo product, which is the charger, this one, it is very affordable, very affordable. So far the chargers that I've come across with, this is the best. That is why this product is quite okay for you to charge your Android device. So if you are looking for any Android charger to charge your Android phone or any device that uses Android charger, make sure you purchase a Araimo charger like this, because it is very efficient and also durable. It charges very fast, okay, it charges very fast, and you can just get yourself one and use it to charge your devices, okay. So this is the Araimo product that I want us to get to know about it, okay. So this is the Araimo charger, which charges very fast. Yeah, seriously, it charges very fast, okay. So within 2 hours, then if your phone is at low battery, this product, this charger, Araimo charger, will charge it very fast for you, so that you use it to do whatever that you want to use to do, okay. So as it goes, here is the Talk Tech. If you like it, make sure you subscribe to this channel, like this video, so do not forget to share the video to your friends so as to benefit from this video. Get yourself one of this Araimo charger. See you soon.